Alright, YouTube land, we're back with another video. Today we've got a Galaxy DX66 V2 sent in by Bryan. Bryan wanted me to go through this radio. He can't run it into his mobile. He said it's squealing real bad. We've checked the radio. It's got an MPC mod and some stuff done to it. Also, and I'm pretty sure it was like it from the factory, because if these radios are not thoroughly checked by whoever's you buy them from, they're off frequency, they're nasty already from the factory. But this one's got an MPC mod and a bunch of hackery done to it. The way I knew it was off frequency is because there's our center marker blinking right there, and as you can see, we're a little lower than where we should be on frequency. So that's when I took it loose and put it on the freak counter, and I could see we're at 27, like 27,396 or something like that. But anyway, we're going to get started on this. Bryan said he wanted us to do everything we can do to the radio, so we're going to get it started and we'll be back. Alright, we're back with the 66 V2. We've got her all lined up and ready to go here. We're looking at, well, I'm going to change that reference to back to -20. 100 kilohertz. There we go. Looking good, looking good. Anyway, we'll back it up and let y'all take that in for a minute. And the variable, we'll run it down. We'll run it up. Run it down. Looks good no matter what. So, doing a good job there. Let's click that back off. Let's run over here to the, let's look at 70 megahertz. Open it up. There we go. We got a little something right here. I guess that's probably the second harmonic, just if I had to guess. So, anyway, all right, we're going to get this hooked up to do a SINAD test and see where we're at there, and we'll be back. All right, and we're back with the 66 V2, and these radios have a pretty good receive from the factory. We're coming in at -99, so we're going to do an alignment and do some upgrading on this receive, and we'll be back. Alright, we're back with the 66 V2, and well, we did drop the noise floor, but as far as 1 dB, as far as where the 12 dB of SINAD is, but we did drop the noise floor. This one's hearing pretty good. You can detect it at -118. So anyway, the receive was a little bit out of alignment. I don't know if the person that set this radio up didn't just go in and tune everything. The S meter was way off. There was several things that were way off, so I don't know what's been done or who did what. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. We're going to get this thing back together, and we're going to do an overview of the radio, so we'll be back. Okay, we're back with the 66 V2, and we've got her all put together here, and we're ready to do an overview of the radio. So we're going to get it fired up here. Well, said I wasn't plugged into my spectrum analyzer, so let's get that plugged back in. Now we can look at it. Alright, so as we said earlier, we got 70 megahertz. We're set at 70 megahertz, and there we go. That's at full power. At 100% modulation. So we're going to change the span. We'll go to 50 kilohertz. Or I'll go to 100 kilohertz. 100 kilohertz right there, looking good. You can turn the mic gain off. Look at it. That's without nothing, just a carrier. That's at a 5-watt carrier. Turn it back up. There you go. So there you go. No doubt about it. Anyway, so let's take this loose. Take that loose and Get our trusty SR 198. Excuse my messy bench. SR 198 installed. Hello, radio 1234 54321. Audio 12. Alright. So, we're just going to listen to it real quick.
Hello, radio 1234 54321.
And for the ones that like it, we'll throw some echo in there. Hello, 1-2, audio check. And we got a little bit of reverb there. Hello, 1-2,
audio check 1-2, audio 1-2. Hello, radio 11111, audio 1-2.
So, anyway, that concludes the tune-up and alignment of this 66 V2. Bryan, we appreciate your business, and still got to get the screws back in her. We're going to get the screws back in her and get it ready to go back to you. Oh, I am going to do one more test. I'm going to show people, this is a prime example. So we'll be back in a minute. We're going to hook it up to an amplifier, and I got something I want to show. So we'll be right back. All right, so we're back with the 66 V2, and now we've got it hooked up to this X-Force amplifier. And the reason we're using an X-Force is because after the video that I shot the other day where we're talking about you don't have to have swing kits and stuff in your radio to make your amplifiers run, I've had several emails saying that people are saying that that's just my amplifiers. No, it's anybody's amplifier. You don't have to have. We're going to take this radio that I just properly tuned up and it's ready to go, run 100% modulation. We're going to put it in this box. Now when we put it in this box, we for you guys that like running a 4-to-1, you're going to have to then adjust. But the way it's going to hook up, we're going to be running about 110, 115% modulation. Let me find the right slug I was looking for. We're going to be running about 115% modulation. So, you know, a little hot, but that's okay. I just wanted to show that with this radio. So I'm not going to say anything else. I'm just going to let the video do the talking here.
Hello, 1-2.
This is
hello, 1234 54321 111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111. Let me turn that back down. From a 1-watt carrier. So we're going to be putting 1 watt modulating about 5 into this 3-pill X-Force. This is 12290 driving 22879s. I've had a lot of comments and people message me. They said they've never run such low swing in their life. They didn't know it was possible. Well, the rest is just saturation. You're going to see in just a second that if I use a 1 watt driving 30, or you know what a dual final radio with the Hackery would be doing, it's just a lot of waste of power because you're not going to gain anything. You're not going to gain much. Surely not going to gain an S unit. Okay, so we got this turned on. I'm using a 2500 watt slug because my 500's in service. So we've got almost 100 watt dead key. For giggles, I'm going to turn this up to about 100 watts. Well, I'm just going to turn it back down. How about that? That's close enough. So anyway, this is we'll just show it, let it swing. Hello, audio 11111, audio check 1234 54321. Okay, that's a 2500 watt slug top scale. The 5's 500, so we're doing about 550, 575. I mean 450, 475 peak power. 12290 driving 22879s. This radio, properly tuned with 5 watts PP coming out of it, is driving this X-Force 3-pill, you know, to rated output. So we're just going to leave it at that. The video kind of speaks for itself. Y'all have a good one. Be safe, be careful, be kind. We got a lot coming up, and we'll be back. Have a good one.